Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to do a Jamboard. Barbara introduced me to this, and I think it's really cool. It allows my kids to do cool stuff for annotations. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to talk through it really quickly. You're going to go to your Google. So you have to have Gmail or at least the Google app. Then you're going to go to your little waffle looking thing here, and you're going to scroll down and click on Jamboard. I want you to see it's really easy. And so in order to create a Jamboard that your kids can use, you're going to want to click this little plus sign here. When you click that plus sign, you're going to go to name your Jamboard. Okay, so I'm going to click that, and since I already created one earlier, I'm going to do that again here just for the sake of illustration. And we are going to annotate the poem by Langston Hughes, Let America Be America. And so that's the title. And because I'm making this for 8th period, I'm going to put that there. Click OK. And then the hardest thing that I have found is that you just have to copy and paste. And that's the most difficult thing on this whole Jamboard app. So I'm going to get the poem, and I'm just going to look it up here. Let America Be America again. And I'm just going to copy and paste it. So here is where I got it from before. And I'm just going to take it here. I'm just going to show you one right now for the sake of recording. So right here, so then I'm going to Control C, copy it. And then you'll notice that I picked this right here, which is a text box. I created the text box, and then I'm just going to drop the thing in there. And I have to mess around with it a little bit, so I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger here and bring it down. This is the part that takes a little bit of work. There you go. And I can, make it as big as I want it to be. So big enough. Okay. So once I have that, then let's say I'm done here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here to share it with my students on Canvas. So I'm going to get the link, and anyone can, I have to make it, this is where I made the mistake the first time. I made it as anyone who has the link can view it, but I want to actually make them editors. So I do that, then I copy the link, then I push done. And then all I'm going to do is head over to Canvas, which is here. And when you go into Canvas, you're just going to click the link, let's say, to where your students are. So I'm going to put it in 2nd period here, click on modules. And I just created this really fast thing just for the sake of showing you guys. But I'm putting it here in Let America. And this was 4th period. So what I'm going to do is edit that and just put a link. And there's actually a better way to do this, but I'm going to put 8th period Jamboard link. And then I'm going to highlight it here and click on the link. And then I'm going to just copy and paste that there. So that's it. And so then the kids can click on the link right here, and it will open it up for them in a new tab. Ooh, I did it twice. And when they open it up in a new tab, they will get to this right here. Now, the only other thing that I wanted to say was if you wanted to break it down into different groups, you can say 8th period Jamboard link, 1st group. And then what you would do is you would actually just go back in here. If you wanted to add like the 2nd page, you could add the 2nd page, add the 3rd page, add the 4th page, and do that. And if you wanted to assign this a 2nd group a different link, then all you would have to do, you can actually copy this. So you can say, hey, I want to do that. Oh, sorry. Sorry, exit out of there. That you wanted to copy this. So you're actually going to, you're going to click on here and you're going to click make a copy. And when you make a copy, it's going to say copy of Let America Be America. And you can just change that to something else. And you can say Let America Be America first period. And everybody in your first period can get the same thing, but they won't be working on what 8th period was working on. So if you see this is a new bit here. And so I'm going to do the exact same thing I did before. Click share. And then what I'm going to do is get the link. So I'm going to click on that. I want to change it to anyone with the link can edit instead of view. Click that there, save it, copy the link. And then I'm going to go back to that other assignment. And instead of making this, I'm going to do first, I'm going to do Jamboard length 8th period. Oops, sorry, Jamboard link for first period. So, and then I'm going to highlight that, do the little link there, and do Control Paste. And now that will link to first period. So what I do is I put them together. So when I put them together, if I wanted first period to take a look at 8th period stuff, I could do that. If I wanted, 8th period to look at first periods or 4th periods, I could do that. So that's it. And then I, say the lesson and the kids can go to whatever they need. Hopefully that helped you guys out. The Jamboard's really easy. And it's been really cool for us to use. Thanks to Barber. All right.